All right. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer, brand new show. We are Friday. We're Friday then. All right. It's 6 p.m. Time for Forex Talk Over Beer, guys. So you know the drill. We're gonna have a little bit of fun tonight. We're gonna have a little beer. So make sure if you don't have a drink with you right now, run to the kitchen, grab that drink, and come back to the screen. All right. So it can be wine, it can be beer, it can be shots, it can be milk. Because maybe it's the morning at your place right now, or maybe you're watching the replay. It can be orange juice, it can be whatever. Let's have a drink together because we're gonna do a little official cheers in just a little moment. But first thing first, I want to welcome everyone to this channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to activate notifications so you'll know next time I go live. And please don't forget to smash the like button as you come on YouTube, please. As you probably know, if you've been following me for a little while, I used to be streaming like 4 days a week. So basically, I was doing 2 live stream in the morning and 2 Forex Talk Over Beer at night per week. Now I reduced that to 1 live stream and 1 Forex Talk Over Beer. And since then, seems like the algorithm doesn't like me that much anymore. So I'm gonna need your help. So as you come in, please don't forget to smash the like button. It takes literally 1 second, and this guy's gonna be super happy. All right. So all right. So I said first thing first, but this is the first thing first. We need to crack up the beer. So usually I always do like a little pre-show kind of on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. The link's in the description. So you guys choose this beer right here. So this one is from the microbrewery called Brewski. This one is called Peas and Hops, and that's an IPA 7%. And we're gonna go with that one. And this is my brand new glass added to the collection. So if you've been following me for a little while, you know I'm a big fan of craft beer. And this is from my trip in Connecticut last weekend. We had a paintball practice over there. And yeah, that's my little souvenir. All right, so let's go. So get your camera ready, get your drink ready. We're about to do the official cheers, guys. And after that, we're going to go break down our trades. There's not much action this week, to be honest. I mean, the market was like kind of effy. But hey, it is what it is. Let's see if we have any common questions. Let's see. We got George here. Hey, yo, what good, boss? Man, not much. Chilling. You know the Friday vibe. All right, so I got my drink. Hopefully, you got your drink, guys. Get your camera ready. So let's do that. Cheers in 3, 2. Okay, so basically, what I want you to do, I forgot to explain. So you need to take a little picture of our cheers, post it in your story, tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. All right, so guys, in 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. All right. So if you don't have time to take the picture, just rewind a little bit, pause it, take the picture, bam, and you're done. All right. Ooh, that smells super good. Really, really, really good. All right, this is amazing. All right, so now we're good to go for our breakdowns. You guys ready? Let's hit it. Hit it. Switch here. All right, so let's start with this trade right here. This was on the 7th. That means that was yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, that was yesterday, I guess. Oh yeah, we had this one too, right? No, where was it? Give me one sec. I got a second trade I want to talk about. Yeah, this one right here. Okay, perfect. So let's start with that one first. Okay. So I mean, if you got this, let's say you don't have this information right here. Okay. So you don't have this information right there. And price came up here, and I was literally looking for support to be formed after, but we just been ranging. So what happened after that? The next day, I mean, price went up. We broke above the major QP and came straight down, and we finally had a nice rejection here to the downside. So I flipped on the 30 minutes. We got a nice engulfing candle right here, and closing above the safety net. The orange line is my safety net on the fib level. Okay, so basically, if I close above this, I'm still willing to take that trade. So I got a nice engulfing candle, took the entry right here, placed stop above. It was quite long, to be honest, for my kind of style. And But it finally played out, right? It finally played out. But it took like 30 minutes, 1 hour, an hour 30 to finally, hit TP. And this one was like a 1.5 ish RR. So yeah, that one was pretty cool. And outside of that, to be honest, this week was pretty boring. The other one you can see is on Tuesday. You can see that one was traded live on YouTube. So you can definitely take a look at it. You can rewind it. But except that, man, I mean, look at this. I mean, just now, if you look at all this, look at this shit. I mean, let's put it on 1 hour. I mean, this is disgusting. So let's delete that for now, because we just talked about that trade. Oops. What did I do? There we go. Perfect. Okay, so let's delete that. So you see here, I was waiting for break and retest above this area, to be honest, because I mean, this today was shit. I told my students I'm not doing a stream. I mean, this is shit. I mean, every single market, every single pair was horrible. Maybe except for gold that had a little push here, but I mean, honestly, it was like terrible. Let's see if you have any question about the last trade that we explained. Like I said, it's gonna be a short episode today because I mean nothing was happening, to be honest. Now if I had to redo my zone, that would be my, let's see, on 4 hour. So that would be my new zone now. So that's gonna be my zone for next week. So that's gonna be it. And yeah, that should do it too. Bam, like this. Actually, this is actually a pretty good zone right here. Yeah, so that would be my new zone. Actually, No, this is going to be very important to break. And this is our next 4 hour zone. So that would be for next week, but look at how dirty it is. It's just like, bleh. So you definitely want something above this zone right here, definitely. All right, so let's go check question or comments. Go have been very hard this week. Oh yeah, that's why I'm staying away from it. What be? Oh, what's up, Clay? What's up? What's up? This week was rangy. Yes, Alex, correct. Goat shit. Oh, thanks, Alex. All right, so let's talk about the add one on. Look at GA, man. Seriously, guys. I mean, like this. I mean, look at this. This is the 4 hour time frame. Like, look at this. This I don't remember like 4 hour time frame looking like this. To be honest, like this. Oh man, this is terrible. I missed that one. Okay, so this is one I regret not taking it. Even if it was not super clean, it was part of my setups and I missed it. Okay, so basically if you look at this, so if you look here, we got our double bottom right here, right? And I wanted to find an entry above the neckline, which was like right here. Okay, so I wanted to find an entry above the neckline. So now if you go down on 4 hour, if you look here, you finally got your breaking candle. You need to wait for a retest. So now you got your retest, and you can enter somewhere in here. So let's go down on the lower time frame, see if we can find an entry. Um, Break, retest, and I think this engulfing candle would be my trading one. But that one was at like a random time. It was like 3 p.m. Eastern in the afternoon. So there's no way I can trigger that, but that would be like something I would be looking for, right? So this very nice candle, nice rejection to the downside. Let's push it up. Let's see, the other possible entry would be like probably like during London session. So it looked like I didn't have any entry that I was willing to take because it was at 3 p.m. But that was the kind of setup I was looking for, right? So, yeah, unfortunately, I was not able to trigger it. But hey, it is what it is. But this is, if you look something like this on the daily and you got your daily candle breaking above, the other way you can use it is use it on the dogtail setup if you want. So you wait for that daily wick to form and you break the high. But you got to understand, if you do this on the daily candle, I mean, you got to give it time to push up, right? Because it can take a couple hours to actually push up. Just for an example, because I mean, we're chilling here, we're having a little drink. I mean, let's talk forex, right? So let's say that you want to break this line. So if you look on 4 hours now, yeah, I think that would make sense actually. Now, if you got your breaking candle, that break above and close above, wait for the next 4 hour to wick down and break the high and enter, right? Yeah, that can make sense. But yeah, except that, nothing. But it's just too bad. This setup was perfect. This is a setup I love to enter. Let's take a look at NZD This is actually a swing trade I took. Yes, I did another swing trade, and I got stopped out. I lost 1% fully. So what I do with swing trade is I use a stop loss and I use percentage base. So I use a fixed percentage and I use 1%, and I go for 3 to 1 RR. So let's see, how did that go? Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at the daily here. If you look at the daily, I mean, we've been bullish, right? So we've been bullish. We had this retracement down and we went up, and I was expecting here, as you can see, I was expecting a push. Oh, damn. I just realized I did a big mistake here. Holy, you see, this cost me a lot of money. Holy, what a mistake, man. So I did my daily fib from there to there. This is a mental, stupid mistake. That zone should be here. And the zone would be like lower. Anyways, I would probably enter anyways, but still, that's a pretty big, stupid mental mistake. But doesn't matter because I would be entering anyways. And the reason why is now if you look at 4 hour time frame, I mean, we got price forming a new high. Price came down, form support in the golden zone. Even if I move this zone where it was supposed to be, it would be like straight in my zone still. So I would be still entering that trade. Let's put it right here. All right, perfect. Let's go back to 4 hours. All right. So now, if you look, I mean, we got price coming down, and we did form support. This for me was a write-off candle. So for me, move this, if I move this candle beside this one, I got my engulfing candle. I can enter, right? So I mean, this was perfect for me. And I went down on H1, find my entry. Right, where was it? Where was it? Right here. When we broke the high right here on this H1 candle, this is where I got my entry. Put my stop above this support right here, and I thought I was good to go. And look what happened on 4 hours after that. I mean, I kind of set up that trade. I was like, all right, I'm gonna let it run. If I get stopped, I get stopped. If I hit, I hit, and that's it. I'm trying to switch my mindset a little bit on over managing my trade, but that one cost me 1%. So yeah, because I mean, it just like went straight down. So now, what can I improve? What can I do better? Maybe next time. So maybe next time, if I see structure broken, I should get out. It's not going to save me a lot of money, but seeing this form of support, if you see this support right now forming right under the support, I mean, we broke structure on this one. So we failed on creating new high, and we broke here. So I should have been out, but hey, I tried it. So it is what it is. I don't care sharing my losses with you guys. Wins or loss, I share. Any question you have, don't be shy. I'm pretty transparent. So I mean, let's see if we have any question about that or comments. So you trade gold on 8 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. push. Yeah, mostly, yeah, the NY open or NYC open, yes, on gold. Yeah. Cheers. Headed to Alaska. Ooh, bring a nice warm jacket, buddy. But definitely want to go there, man. Looks amazing. Just buy high and sell low. Yeah, obviously, that's the main idea. So that's why I'm buying into this retracement at the low to eventually create a new high. You're doing MFF. How the spread on gold? I heard 3 pips. Isn't that a lot? No, I didn't see 3 pips to be honest. Like, I got my main account, which is my own found, and I got my MFF account, which is well, it's not gonna help because market is closed. But no, man, I've been trading it. It's been like maybe 2 pips. Well, of course, I mean, if you're entering a trade when there's news or really close to a news event, spread's gonna skyrocket, right? So, but no, it wasn't so bad. Lowy, that's what most traders do. Yeah, buy high, sell low. Yeah, of course. Um, buy high, sell low. I mean, you mean, yeah, whatever. I would say buy low, sell high, but maybe because I'm French, I don't know. Um, 3 pips is nothing unless you are a sissy scalper. Clay, don't get into this. But yeah, no, seriously, yeah, 3 pips is not much to be honest. Of course, if you're looking to grab 5 pips or 7 pips or 10 pips, 3 pips is a lot. But if you're looking for like 15, 20, 25, 30 pips, 3 pips is not much. To be honest, I will not go with a broker with spread bigger than 3 pips, to be honest, because it's just like I prefer having like raw spread and a bigger commission. I don't know why. I just feel better that way. I guess that's me. That's a personal thing. But whatever. Both is good. Who cares? It just depends what's you're feeling comfortable with. What's your percentage holding of XRP? Percentage of what? I got a pretty good chunk of XRP I'm still holding. Yes. I didn't sold anything, any XRP. I didn't sell any XRP. This is all my. I mean, I'm in a huge drawdown on XRP. This is all my. You'll see all the yellow lines you're about to see. This is all my entries on XRP. So I'm in a huge ass drawdown, but I'm still holding. I don't care. That's money that, I mean, if I lose it, I lose it. But yeah. Same thing with Solana. Solana, this is all my entries. Those one are in huge ass profits. So yeah. Solana is the next fucking thing, bro. Yeah. Solana is the dope as fuck. I mean, it's actually fast. Like it's like a couple seconds. Um, I mean, Visa is faster than Solana by just like maybe a second or like a fraction of a second or something like that. So, I mean, Solana is pretty dope. Solana is pretty dope. Ain't gonna lie. I mean, I'm in love with Solana. I mean, ETH, to be honest, ETH, if I find this guy who created ETH, I'm gonna spit in his face. I think I'm gonna piss on him. I hate ETH so bad, dude. It's not even funny how much I hate ETH. Like, I still have some project like NFTs on ETH. I'm trying to sell them because it's just like piece of garbage. I mean, let's say you have an NFT that's worth like, I don't know, $400, $500. You want to sell it? Guess what? You got some fucking $200 gas fee to pay. It's so retarded, man. I can't believe that ETH will survive this. I mean, people getting into the NFT ETH are just fucking retarded. Yeah, I got in this because I got started. I didn't know shit. I didn't know any better. Now that I know, it would be so freaking dumb for me buying those stuff. I mean, just like doesn't make sense. Yeah, you're buying it like it costs you $300 gas fee. Like fuck you. You go on Solana blockchain, you buy something, you sell something, it costs you like 25 cents or something like that. It's just like fuck that shit. So anyways, this was me having a little a little whatever. Okay, so now let's go back to our things. Let's go back to our things. Let's go back to my other swing trade here on AUDJPY. But first thing first, let's go see if we have any questions. Okay, thanks. Let's see. Scalpers, workers, Clay, bro. I agree. ETH is shit. I have 3 Cosmos Kids NFTs in over. Yeah, that's like I'm telling you, man. ETH sucks ass. Guys, if you're interested into NFTs, look at Solana. They're now on OpenSea, by the way. There's a lot of project on OpenSea. There's more coming. But Solana is the way to go. Solana is the way to go. So many very, very, very nice NFTs. I got rugged like I think I got like 10 project on ETH, and out of 10, I got 8 rugged. I mean, it's crazy. On Solana, I got 7 different project or 8 different project, no rug. Just like no rug at all. It is, I mean, just so different. It's so different. Anyways, what do you say here? Hold on. Also feel I gotta let go. Yeah. All those trays like you hold your balls. Interesting. Interesting claim. All right, so let's take a look at this now. All right, so this I really wanted to hold, but it's just like, God damn, man, the market didn't like me. Like those one were pretty nice, and they went 3-1. Very nice trade. That one, dude, I was ready to hold this baby. Like there was no tomorrow. Look at this. This was beautiful. Okay, if you look, first of all, if you look at the daily were clearly bullish. Price came down due to pullback right in my daily golden zone, which was also retesting a previous right here, previous 4-hour support. So we came here, we created a new high, price came down, formed support at the previous support, which was right at the golden zone. We got a nice engulfing candle. Bam! Snap the entry. Actually took 2 entries. I took a first entry right here. I took it on the 1 hour after the 4-hour close. Why? And the reason why, because we had a double bottom right here. And yeah, so it was nice. So I took the entry right on this candle, breaking the high. So this was my first entry. And second entry was on the 4-hour close after that. Once this one closed 4-hour, I actually added another position. So I had two position. Stop was like all the way down here. I didn't got stop. I didn't got stop. Dude, I actually hold this fucking bullshit consolidation. And today, like around like was like around like yeah, on this candle, we start to come back above profit. I close everything, I think at 2 or 5 pips profit. And the reason why is just like, I mean, we were consolidating. The day was closing soon. I mean, not soon, but in a couple hours. I didn't want to hold this one in during the weekend, and the reason why is because when market open on Sunday, it can just wick down like fucking like 50 pips down and take me out for no reason. And after that, pull back up. So it's like, you know what? Let me get out at break even ish. A couple, 3, 4, 5 pips of profit. I don't consider that a win. I consider that as a break even, and let me re-enter on Monday. But the idea is still there. It's just like this doesn't make sense. It's just like, I mean, I was like, all right. So I woke up this morning. I was in drawdown right here. I was like, oh man, that sucks. Especially that NZD GPY just stopped me out, and now I had like two position of 1%. So I had 2% running. So I was like, you know what? Fuck this shit. And as soon as they came up in profit, I was like, yeah, close that and I'm out. I didn't feel like holding this during the weekend. I'm probably going to regret it. But hey, you know what? I prefer to secure because this one was taken not on my MFF account. This was taken on my personal live account, and I want to preserve my capital. As you probably know me, guys, I'm super tight with my own money. I go crazy and do stupid shit with the MFF account, but this when it's about my own money, I'm really, really careful. Actually, I'm too tight with my own money, but hey, I guess that's what it is. Hey guys, man, what's up with that, man? We should be at least at 100% like ratio here. I mean, come on, smash that like button, guys. Help me out here, because I mean, I'm only streaming one live session on Tuesday morning at 6:30 a.m. and only one Forex talk over beer now. Before I was doing like 4 per week. And since then, the algorithm doesn't like me anymore. So please, I need your help. Smash that like button, guys. Cheers. Oh, this is good. Okay, let's see if we have any question about that one. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Hey, 2 times following you. I would like to know those line blue and purple and what is QP. Okay, that's actually a good question. Let's talk about that. Let's try to help some people here. All right, so let's talk about it. All right, so if you look at GJ here, let's put the screen bigger. All right. So if you look at GJ, you see those purple line are what I call major QP. Okay, major quarter points, and the blue line are just my regular QP. Okay, so quarter points is like it's like a quarter, right? Quarter, 50 cents, 75 cents, a dollar. Those are round numbers, psychological lever, key level, bank level. Call it as you want, the fancy word that you want. But there's a quarter point theory. You can read about that. And market and price love to react at those levels and respect those levels a lot. I mean, you can tell, like right here, how hard it is to break 162 here, major QP. It's super, 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 super hard to break because it's a major, 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 major level, right? I mean, look at those price. Look at those candle closing right at that line, right at that QP. Look at this rejection right on the dot, right? Look at this. Same thing here, I mean, I use those as sometimes targets. There's some if you read about the theory, you got the undershot level, the overshot level. You can find reversal pattern around those undershot and overshot level, which I use and I teach my students about, which is pretty good. I mean, this is a perfect example. I mean, yeah, man, this cannot be better than this. Oh, jeez, I'm giving you some free shit right here. All right, so look at this. All right, you got this double bottom right here, and this double bottom is fucking right at 750. 750 is the undershot level. You can expect a lot of reversal around the 750 level when price coming down. Okay, so keep that in mind. When price coming up, you're looking at the 250. But when price coming down, if you see a reversal pattern right here, around the 750, it's very, very, very strong. So yeah, I mean, but you gotta backtest those shit, right? So you gotta backtest those things for you. But yeah, that's what is those blue and purple line all about. Yeah, they can be used as support and resistance. Some people use them as support and resistance. But I mostly use it to spot reversals or targets for TPs, or putting my stop loss under that QP, because most of the time those major QPs gonna hold. Yeah, etc. etc. Cheers, guys. Make sure to smash the like button as you come in. All right, so let's see if we have any more questions here. I held the trade all week still in. Dude, man, you're better than me. I mean, holding that trade in consolidation for like 2 days was, it was something crazy for me. Hello, Mary. What's up? How you girl doing? Is that a salary play? LOL. What's a fucking salary play? I don't sell vegetables. Like, what's a freaking salary play? That's funny. Do you have video that explain your strategy? I don't know if I have a video that explain my strategy, but I trade live for the past like year and a half ish. So if you go on my channel and you look at all the videos, you'll see exactly how I do trade. I trade live. So I trade live, and yeah, you can check it out. I trade live with my students every day. I trade live on YouTube. Now this year, once a week, but last year I was doing twice a week. So you can see exactly how I do it. But yes, I do have a course out there you can take a look at. I don't like to push my own stuff, but you can find the link in the description. Controller FX to replay trade. Oh, I don't know controller FX, and I don't know the sell replay. Sorry, bro. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah. That's not the guy that I don't know. I don't want to start anything, but isn't the guy that had some problem with Raj? Whatever. But anyways, yeah, I don't know that. Thanks, you're awesome. Hey, you're welcome. Thank you very much. I appreciate the comment. I'm drunk on Mountain Dew. Don't mind me. Clay is rocking the Mountain Dew. All right, guys. So that's it pretty much. Let's see if you have any question. Do we have some last questions? Like I told you, it was a short episode today because I mean we didn't took much trades this week. It was pretty boring. And we're gonna move on to next week. All right, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Oh, love you, brother. Love you too, bro. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you Tuesday morning, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. I'll be trading live with you. So if you have any question, send it my way. It'll be my pleasure to help you out, guys. In the meantime, have an amazing weekend. Enjoy time with your friends, family, your loved one, and I'll see you on Tuesday, guys. Take care. Peace out.